Hi guys! It's 13 years here in the United States of America, and today I'm gonna share with you all the trees that blooms this spring. So I'm gonna go at the back so that you can see how pretty is the flower during spring, guys. So look at we're in Dillard's today, and look at this one. So okay, at the side is white the flowers, and in this side is pink and red. Okay guys, okay, hold on me. I'm gonna go at the back so that you can see the white trees that blooms. Okay. Hi guys, look at the pretty flower of these. I don't know what is the name of these trees over here. Appear a lot of flowers. And this is really pretty, guys. So I'm gonna share with you all the flowers here. Different colors. This one is pink. Okay, pink. Okay, pink. And the other side is white. This one in this area is pink, guys. Pink. So I'm just gonna share with you how pretty this flower in this area. So we're in Dealers, guys. Dealers. I'm gonna focus that one. Oh, look at, guys, I am very happy to see this nature, guys. During spring, you can tell how pretty is all the trees. Look at that. This one seems okay, in this area, guys, this is the green. This is the leaves. This is evergreen. So look at, it's really nice. Is the green, green. Evergreen, guys. Look at how evergreen is really good. And look at that. So we are in shopping area, and look at that. So really here over here. Okay. Here. Okay, here. Okay. Okay. Here, look at that. Look at how pretty. Okay, look at that. Okay, guys.
It was a good trade. She got
Okay.
$600 and let her good trade.
Here we go, guys. This is what I said that I'm gonna show with you. The wow, it smells good. The white flowers in this area. So at the other side, it's pink and red, and this one is wow. It smells really good, huh? So this is white here. Look at how pretty, yeah. Guys, look at how pretty. That's my body. So what is that? Okay, so look at, it's really
That doesn't smell good.
yeah. It really smells good, right? Guys, Now, how about that one? Is there's a birdie. Oh, there's oh, there's a bird nest in here, but there is no egg. But look at how pretty. Is it? Okay, guys, here. Look at. It's a pretty. And here, in the other side, look at the color. Woo! Is this also, guys? Okay. Steady there. Okay. Look how pretty this one. Here. It's really nice. This kind of trees. Yeah.
Oh, I got it.
Look at that. Okay. You had to. Okay, see. So now I'm gonna focus that one. Okay, my husband is torn upside down, but just for a second. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna focus the trees. Oh, is that really pretty? Imagine if we have this in the Philippines, guys. I'm very happy that I have this opportunity to see this nature that I cannot see this in the Philippines. Oh, there's a bird's nest over there. Look at how pretty that one. Oh, smells good because of the restaurant. It makes me hungry. Oh, look at how pretty that. Okay, say hi, Ann. Okay, guys. Hi. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my video. So, guys, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, Kinabuhing America Vlog. And I just want to share with you guys how pretty is our spring season here in America. Guys,